First day of the class. Got Dave the jeweler here. Where you from, my man?
From Daytona.
Daytona, okay. All the way to get to class?
Yeah.
You already know what time it is.
I'll let you get to class.
In the building, man, we sharpening up our skills.
How he doing, man? He showing you everything?
Each one teach one.
You doing good.
So all that liquid gold that was in this dish, it's now in there. So in about 5 minutes, the rule of thumb, remember, nothing back here wants to go from cold straight to red hot, and the opposite is true also. You don't want to go from red hot down to cold. I'm about to take them here and here.
Oh, okay. What's that do?
It's going to take it from a liquid, which is really no longer a liquid. It's starting to solid. It's starting to turn solid again. But it's going to take it from that molten metal stage down to room temperature. So all of these, yeah, and it's so cold overnight that it's probably close to ice. But room temperature water.
And also the water is gonna make that investment loosen up and basically just perish your weight. So the teeth fall straight out.
Yeah, so that way.
Because I know you're wondering, what's that milky?
No, this white stuff, this is like concrete. Okay. This is what's gonna hold the shape of any of your jewelry item. Grill, Jesus piece, whatever you choose, whatever you choose. This holds the shape of it. So